In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar for your family. Google Calendar is a fantastic tool for keeping everyone in sync, sharing schedules, and coordinating family activities. Whether you're managing school events, family gatherings, or sports schedules, this step-by-step guide will help you set up a shared calendar effortlessly. First, we'll start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Google Calendar website. It's a simple search away and is accessible from virtually any device. Once you're at the website, click on the first result that appears. This should bring you directly to the Google Calendar homepage. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Once you've typed it in, click on the Next button to continue. Now it's time to enter your password. Type in your password carefully and click Next to sign in. This will bring you into your Google Calendar interface. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but that's a topic for another video. Once you're in, look for the plus sign located on the left sidebar and click on it. This will give you the option to create a new calendar. Click on Create New Calendar to proceed. Here, you'll be asked to enter a name for your new calendar. This could be something straightforward like Family Calendar. Once you've named your calendar, click on Create Calendar to finalize it. Let's now return to the main calendar view. In the top left corner, you'll find an arrow. Click on it to go back to the main calendar page. On the sidebar, you should see your newly created family calendar listed. Next to its name, there will be 3 vertical dots. Click on them to reveal a drop-down menu, and then select Settings and Sharing. To share this calendar with your family members, click on Add People and Groups. You'll need to enter the email addresses of those you want to share the calendar with. This will ensure everyone invited has access to the events you add. Click on Email, which prompts you to set up permissions for each person. This allows you to decide what each family member can do, such as view events or make changes. Simply click on the permissions box and select the desired permission level. After configuring the permissions, click on Send to invite your family members. They'll receive an invitation to join the calendar, and once accepted, they can see all the scheduled family events. And that's it! You've just set up a family calendar using Google Calendar. Now everyone in your family can stay on track with events and appointments. This tool is perfect for organizing busy schedules and ensuring that everyone is on the same page. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling!